Are you taking your vitamins and eating well, but still feeling exhausted? You might have a hidden enemy in your gut, H. pylori. This bacteria can prevent your body from absorbing essential nutrients like iron and B12. It's time to explore this issue and stop your nutrient loss. H. pylori thrives in your stomach by neutralizing acidity. This means less stomach acid is available to break down food and extract nutrients. A healthy stomach needs high acidity to function properly. When it's low, your body struggles to absorb iron from the foods you eat. Vitamin B12 absorption is even trickier. A healthy stomach produces the intrinsic factor protein, a protein that is essential for vitamin B12 digestion. Sadly, H. pylori can damage cells that make this protein. So, when you take supplements, the B12 simply passes through your system. You may feel tired and weak even after doing everything right for your health. Many people struggling with low iron are prescribed iron pills. But if H. pylori is still present, these can upset your stomach without improving your levels. In fact, the bacteria can use the iron to grow stronger. Taking supplements without addressing the infection can make things worse. At Matula Naturals, we believe in getting to the root of the problem. By clearing H. pylori from your system, you help restore a healthy stomach environment. Once the infection is gone, your stomach can create the intrinsic factor protein again, allowing for better nutrient absorption, enabling you to reclaim your energy and vitality. It's crucial to shift focus from just treating blood report numbers to fixing what's really affecting your health. Chronic fatigue and nutrient loss are signs that your body is out of balance. By eliminating H. pylori with a natural solution, you clear the path for better health. This ensures the nutrients from your food and supplements actually benefit you. Remember, addressing H. pylori is the first step to revitalizing your energy and nutrient levels. If you're ready to take charge of your health, don't wait. Investigate the health of your stomach and reclaim your vitality today. Watch our next video here, and don't forget to subscribe.